Hello guys, in this video we will explain you how to use the classic instrument Volvel Innovation Basic. Before we go to the tutorial, friend, you must know what the basic innovation Volvel is. Volvel Innovation Basic is a classic instrument used to predict solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. Volvel Innovation Basic is an update and development of Volvel Philip, which was discovered in 1680 AD. Volvel Innovation Basic was found by Ehsan Hidayat LLM, Master of Law, in 20 and 19 AD. Interestingly, Volvel Innovation Basic can predict lunar and solar eclipses until 2100 AD. Very interesting, isn't it? You must be excited to know how to use this tool. Let's move on to the tutorial. Please note that Volvel Innovation Basic can be accessed digitally on the website found.netlify.app. So, the tutorial we will make today use a digital Volvel. Step 1. Select the year in which you want to see if there is a solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. For the example, we choose the year 2089 AD. The first step is that we look for date data in 2089. Please note that in the epoch disk there are 6 columns which later will help us to predict the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. In the first column, there is the value of key, which is 11 and 1. Then in the second column, there is the value of f, which contains 88.93. Then the third column has the date. The third column shows us the date. The date is 11. Then in the fourth column shows the hour 18:00 GMT. Then in the fifth column there is 36, which shows that it is a minute. The minute is 37. And then in the last column there is H and P. This shows us the market day in the Japanese calendar, which is 6 and 3. The meaning of 6 is a day in the Gregorian calendar starting from Monday, which means that the sixth day is Saturday. While 3 shows us the market in the Japanese calendar, which means the third market in the Japanese calendar is Wage. After all the data is known, we turn the third disk to adjust the day and market at the beginning of the year. The black color indicates the day and the red color indicates to the market. The next step, we align day 6 and market 3 with the beginning of January. Once aligned, we use a ruler to help us see if they are aligned. Next, we look at the table to see the date of the first new moon. Here we see that new moon in 2089 falls on January 11, so we turn the epoch to that date. Then after that, we turn the F plate. Here the value of F in 2089 is 88.93. Then we turn the F plate parallel to the epoch. Here we have found the eclipse that will occur in 2089 by looking at the small circles inside the disk. To distinguish between lunar and solar eclipses, we are looking at the color. If the black color indicates a solar eclipse, while the red color indicates a lunar eclipse. We will take one example of the date when the eclipse will occur. Here we take an example of a lunar eclipse that occurs on the fourth full moon in 2089. To find out that, we turn the ruler so that it parallel to the fourth full moon. After alignment, it can be seen that the lunar eclipse occurs on March 24, 2089 on Saturday at 13 GMT.